In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2019. So first, let's open up our File Explorer. I'm going to prepare a folder in the C drive. So go to your C drive, it's usually under this PC, and then just create a folder here. So right click, New Folder, let's call it Office 2019. Now you can close it. And now what you want to do is open up your browser, type in Office Customization Tool. Click on the first link, and then select your architecture. 64-bit is mine. Under Office Suites, select the Office Professional 2019. Scroll down, just select Office 2019 Perpetual Enterprise here, and the version latest. Under Apps, just select whatever you want to include in this deployment. So I don't want Access and Publisher. Now click Next and select your preferred language. Next. And here you can just skip all the way down to Application Preferences and then click on Finish. And now you want to click Export. Select Office Open XML formats. Okay. Accept the terms and then export. And now it's going to say this file could harm your device. But don't worry about it, this is from Microsoft, so just click on Keep, and then click on the folder where this is downloaded in, click Ctrl X, or you can just right click, cut, and then go to your C drive, and then find where you made that folder, Office 2019, and then paste that in here. And now you want to minimize this, go to another tab and search for Office Deployment Tool. Deployment. Click on the first link, download it, and then just run it directly. Click yes, and here just accept the terms, continue. And now you want to locate that folder, Office 2019, which is what I called it, which is inside of the OS C drive. So it's under this PC, and then under C, and now you can just find it. It's right here. Select it and then click OK. OK again. And now you can just close everything. And now go to that folder in your C drive, Office 2019. So it should be right here. And now select on the top here, just click on the empty space and then copy that path. Now open up your command prompt. Make sure you open it in Administrator. And now inside your command prompt, type in cd space and then double quotations, paste in the path, and then double quotation again, enter. And now what you want to do, type in setup.exe space /configure and then space configuration.xml, enter. And now the download or installation should begin. You can close the command prompt, you don't need it anymore, and you can close the file or the folder. And as you can see, the installation is starting. And once it's done, you're going to see this message right here, so you can just close. And once you search for something like Excel, you're going to be able to open it and use it. So that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.